Kalpunan, tanghal, tak. Kalpunan, baba, tak. Enggak, dalam, balis. Baba, tak. Ginoo, tapos sa buong barangan. Mga kasama, pinapabot ng ating panawing pandangal, Brigadier General Alejandro J. Papa, Philippine Army, Commander, Army Signal Regiment, ang kanyang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na ginawa natin sa kanya ngayong hapon. Baba, alis.
Well, we shall proceed with the folding of the personal flag of the honoree with the Sergeant Major of the Army Signal Regiment. The Regimental Major Sergeant Major, Chief Master Sergeant Jomar A. Marso will now hand over the personal flag to the honoree. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the 38th Commander of the Army Signal Regiment, Philippine Army, Brigadier General Alejandro J. Papa.